Cleaning white sneakers when they get dirty is often a frustrating and time-consuming task, especially when stains are stubborn or the soles turn yellow over time. However, there's a simple and effective method to make this process much easier. Start by preparing a small container and add in 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, and 1 tablespoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Carefully mix these ingredients until a slightly thick paste forms, ensuring the texture is smooth and consistent. This step is crucial because the combination of these elements works together to break down dirt and discoloration on the sneakers. Next, apply the paste generously to the sneakers, focusing on the soles and any areas that appear yellowed or heavily stained. Use your fingers or a small brush to press the mixture firmly into the fabric and grooves, making sure it adheres well. Then place the sneakers in direct sunlight for about 5 minutes, allowing the heat to activate the cleaning agents and boost the whitening effect. Be careful not to leave them out too long, as excessive exposure could damage delicate materials. After the time has passed, remove the sneakers from the sun and use a damp cloth to wipe away the mixture thoroughly, ensuring no residue remains. You'll notice the sneakers look impressively white and fresh, almost brand new, without the need for expensive products. Compare them to another pair of sneakers that hasn't been cleaned, and the difference will be obvious and satisfying.